Jealous ass trick trying to fuck up my features. I get my revenge when I drop out my pictures. I'm pretty like art, bitch. I look like a fixture. I get my revenge when I fuck on your nigga. I take that shit back. I won't fuck on your nigga. I fuck on his face, right in your place. Run with
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CashLiani, CashLiani. Hey, it's your girl CashLiani. And in today's video, I am doing an unboxing. Yes, another wig video, but this time this hair is from UNice Hair. So I actually didn't order from their website. I ordered from their Amazon store, which I do like because if you have Amazon Prime already, it's a guarantee that you're gonna get your hair in 2 days if you have Prime already. So that's what I liked about this company, that they do offer their hair and products on Amazon. So this is how the packaging looks. It's in this baby blue box, and it says this is their Betty You series. Be your own stylist, be different. It says this is 100% human hair wig. On the box right here, it tells you the specs on the hair. So this is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. The density is 150% and it's 20 inches. So right here it says I don't know if it's Betty You, Bet You. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But it says, in this fast ever changing world, this is a precious thing. How can we balance both time and beauty? Wig collection will allow you to be your own stylist and be different. So that's what it does in front, and in the back it has the right way to measure your wigs, and it also has a FAQ. I'll just show this right here for you guys so you can read it on your own. You can pause the video and read that or whatever. So when you first open the box, the first thing you do see is this wig. So this is just an unboxing video. I will come back, y'all know how I do, and show you how I customize the lace. The next video featuring this wig, I will be showing you guys how to bleach your knots. So yeah, that's next, because you know I always use the foundation method to tint my lace, but I'm actually going to bleach my knots on this particular wig. So after you take out the wig, they gave me a headband. It is like a braided headband. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if I will be using that, but it's a cute little gift. I also got a wig cap in here, so that's pretty cool. 2 wig caps. And then they have this little card that tells you how to take care of your hair and some tips. So this is what this looks like, and it shows you how to find them on Amazon. You just type in UNice Hair. That's that on that. Now let's move on to actually looking at the wig. So the wig comes in this plastic. It just has like a little stick on here. I'm pretty sure it's not for us. It doesn't have any valuable information on there. So when you take out the wig, of course the wig is in a hairnet. So I'm taking off the wig. Taking off the hairnet. It comes with these foams and stuff on the inside. I'm just gonna pop this right off. This just fell out of the hair, so it does come with a little tag, and it has more hair care tips, and it says thank you for shopping with us. So this is how the hair looks. Straight out the pack, it does have like a little factory smell, but it's very soft to the touch. And as you can tell, this wig is curly, like AF. So inside the wig, it does come with 4 combs. 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. It does have an elastic band. It's right here. So it says it's a 13 by 6 parting space. So if you can see right here, the 6-inch doesn't, it just goes basically towards the middle. So you can't, if you want to do a deep side part, I don't know how you will achieve that. Basically just majority of the middle of the wig is the 6-inch part. And I like 6-inch part because it makes it look a little bit more realistic, because you can take your part further back. So this unit does come with baby hairs. It does seem to be pre-plucked. I don't know if you guys can tell that. I'm just gonna, y'all know I got a bun on right now, but I'm just trying to see. So yeah, it does seem to be pre-plucked. But I still will be plucking this unit some more. Let me just show you guys though. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Remember, this video is just an unboxing. The next video to look out for is me showing you guys and teaching you guys how to bleach your knots so you can get that realistic scalp look without worrying about foundation. And yeah, like, it's just 1, 2, 3 simple. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.